The letter W makes the sound W. Round your lips and let the sound slide out. W, W, W. Wow! Let's read some W words together. Ag, wag. Et, wet. Ebb, web. In, win. Ig, wig. Now read with me. Wag, wet, web, win, wig. Now let's read 2 words together. Wet, wig. Wag, web. Fantastic reading!